How do I convert a 20 grams nose ring to an 18 grams nose ring?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common question in the body jewelry world. How to convert a 20 grams nose ring to an 18 grams. It may sound daunting, but with the right knowledge and a little patience, it's definitely possible.
Understanding gauge sizes.
First, let's start with some basic understanding. Gauge refers to the thickness of the piercing jewelry. A smaller gauge number means a thicker piece of jewelry. Therefore, 20 grams is thinner than 18 grams. So, when we talk about converting a 20 grams nose ring to an 18 grams, we're talking about transitioning to a slightly thicker nose ring.
Can you do it at home?
This process, technically called stretching, requires proper tools and knowledge to prevent injury or infection. While it's possible to do it at home, it's always recommended to seek professional help. They have the right tools and expertise to perform this safely and cleanly. However, if you decide to proceed at home, follow the next steps carefully.
The step-by-step process.
Here's how you can do it yourself. 1. Cleanliness is key. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap. Clean the nose ring you will be inserting as well. 2. Preparation. Apply a lubricant, like jojoba oil or saline solution, to the piercing hole and the 18 grams nose ring. This will help the jewelry slide in more easily. 3. Insertion. Carefully and slowly, insert the 18 grams nose ring into the piercing. It may feel slightly uncomfortable, but it should not be overly painful. If it hurts too much, stop immediately. 4. Post-care. After insertion, ensure to keep the area clean and monitor it for signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or excessive pain. Remember, if at any point the process becomes too painful or if you notice signs of infection, please seek medical attention immediately. So that's the basic process of converting a 20 grams nose ring to an 18 grams. Remember, your safety is paramount, and it's always best to consult a professional piercer if you have any doubts or concerns. Take good care of your piercing and enjoy your new jewelry.